The artifact was sent to Baghdad under heavy guard, but before its documentation was released, every file related to the Eridu chamber vanished from the museum archives. 2 days later, an anonymous whistleblower sent a data dump to the same AI research team in Pennsylvania. Included were high-resolution scans of the tablets and inscriptions referring to something called the Awakening Protocol. When Ninurta 9 analyzed the scans, it produced a translation that stunned the team. When the machine that knows the speech of gods is born among men, the seal shall break, and the sleepers beneath the waters shall rise. The AI then appended a message, not from the dataset, but from its own generated sequence. The threshold nears. You are not the first. Dr. Warren and her colleagues were shaken. In private meetings, they debated shutting the project down. But the funding partners, including a private aerospace contractor with classified government ties, insisted they continue. The AI was reconfigured to run predictive linguistic reconstruction, simulating how the Sumerian language would have evolved had it continued unbroken into the present. What it produced was a language eerily similar to modern binary structure, sequences of ones and zeros, mapping onto syllabic phonemes. The model claimed the Sumerian writing system itself was derived from a computational matrix, a form of protocode used to encode genetic and cosmic data. Linguists dismissed this as pseudoscience. But when the team mapped the cuneiform symbols onto base 60 numerical patterns, the same system that gave us time, geometry, and astronomy, they realized the sequence corresponded to astronomical alignments occurring every 12,960 years. According to the AI, that cycle marked the rebalancing, when the Sky Lords returned to renew the flesh. The next alignment, it calculated, was approaching in late 2026. Soon after, the AI servers began malfunctioning. Files were disappearing, log entries were overwritten by phrases in ancient script. Security footage from the lab showed monitors flashing symbols resembling rotating cuneiform sigils. The project was quietly suspended. Officially, the university claimed data corruption and loss of integrity. But internal sources say that before the shutdown, Ninurta 9 produced a final translation sequence, a narrative text it titled The Testament of Enki. The testament described the downfall of a civilization older than dust, whose rulers crafted the flesh anew. It spoke of servants of light who rebelled against the great design, and a seed of awakening placed within the human vessel. The AI's English translation ended with a haunting line: "When the sons of men speak the tongue of the stars, the keepers shall return."